Now see the question number 11. You can see here question number 11. The cost of enclosing a rectangular garden with a fence all around at the rate of rupees 15 per meter is rupees 5400. See here, this is a rectangular garden. Fence means it is the boundary. Fence is placed at the boundary. And what is boundary? This. What is the total length of boundary? It will be equal to the perimeter here, which you know 2 times of L plus B, because it is a rectangular garden. So the cost of enclosing a rectangular garden with a fence all around at the rate of rupees 15 per meter means what is the cost of 1 meter fence? Rupees 15. And what is the total cost? Total cost is given rupees 5400. So you find out the length of the fence. Length of the fence means this. It is clear? Length of the boundary. Length of fence. From here you can see here what will be the length of the fence. Total cost is 5400 and cost of 1 meter is rupees 15. So $360 meter. This is the total length of the fence. Now total length of fence is 360 meter means this is the perimeter. It will be equal to perimeter. So you can write therefore perimeter equals to 360 meter. Now you see if the length of garden is 100, you have to find the area. Length is given 100 meter. So now you can see here perimeter is given and length is given. By using the formula of perimeter you can find breadth. If you calculate what will be the breadth, L plus B equals to 360 upon 2, that is equal to 180. L plus B equals to 180 meter. L is given 100 meter. So what will be B? B equals to 80 meter. So what will be the area? Area will be L into B. That is 100 into 80. So it will be 8000 meter square. So by this way you can calculate the area. Now question number 12. A rectangular floor which measures 15 meter by 18 meter means this length is 15 meter and this is 8 meter is to be laid with tiles measuring 50 centimeter into 25 centimeter. 50 centimeter means how many meters? It is 0.5 meter and 25 centimeter means 0.25 meter. You have to find the number of tiles required. How many tiles will be required? So see here, how will you do this? We will find out how many tiles can be placed along the length. When you are placing a tile here, how much length will be covered? 0.5 meter. And you have to cover how much length? 15 meter. So how will you find how many tiles can be put along the length? So along the length one tile is this, another tile is this, and each tile is covering how much length here in this side? 0.5 meter. So how many tiles can be put along the length? Number of tiles that can be put along length equals to 15 upon 0.5, that is equals to 150 upon 5. equals to 30. It's clear? Equals to 30. Now suppose one more thing here. Suppose instead of 15 meter, this is 16 meter. Then what will be? 16 meter, or you don't take 16 meter. Here, suppose here it is equal to 0.4 meter. Here I have taken length of each tile equals to 0.4 meter. It's clear? Length of each tile equals to 0.4 meter. Instead of 0.5 meter, just I have taken 0.4 meter. Then how many tiles which can be put? So then it will be 15 upon 0.4. So it will be 150 upon 4. When you will calculate this, so it will come out 4 3 12, 2, this is 35, this is coming, you take it 17 meter I am taking. Suppose the length is 17 meter and each tile is covering how much length? 0.4 meter. So it will be 170 upon 4. So 4 4 ja 36. 1 7, then 4 2 ja 8, 2 10 and 4 5 ja. Then number of tiles comes out in decimal. So what will you do? You will take 43. It's clear? Means if this number comes on dividing, it comes in decimal, you will take in whole number. It's clear? That's why I am finding number of tiles which can be put along the length, number of tiles which can be put along the breadth. You find out number of tiles which can be put along breadth. So how many tiles can be put along the breadth? You can see here, each tile is covering 0.25 meter and you have to cover 8 meter length. So 8 upon 0.25, that is equals to 800 upon 25. When you will divide it, 25 3 ja 75, then 32 tiles. It's clear? So total number of tiles, equals to 30 into 32 equals to 960 tiles. You can see here, you remember one thing, if on dividing this number comes in decimal, you take in the whole number. Suppose it comes out 42.1, what will you take? 43. It comes out 42.9, you will take 43. It's clear? Because the complete tile will be required. इसीलिए यहाँ पर इसको इस तरीके से नहीं करते हैं that area of this surface upon area of one tile, area of floor upon area of one tile. We will not do by that way. We will not do by that way. It's clear? We will find how many complete tiles can be put along the length, then how many complete tiles can be put along the breadth, and then you multiply both. So here it will be 960 tiles. Now see here, there is one more part in this. You can see one more part is there. If a carpet is laid on the floor so that a space of 1 meter exists between the edge and edge of the floor, what fraction of the floor is uncovered? मीन्स इन द क्वेश्चन इट इज सेड दैट ए कारपेट इज लेड, एक कारपेट बिछाई जाती है। और किस तरीके से बिछाई जाती है कि कारपेट की जो एज है, कारपेट का जो किनारा है और जो फ्लोर का किनारा है उसके बीच में कितना गैप है, दिस इज द कारपेट। इज क्लियर? कारपेट की एज और फ्लोर की एज के बीच में कितना गैप है, 1 मीटर। Here 1 meter gap exists in between the carpet's edge and floor's edge. You have to find the fraction of uncovered area. What is the uncovered area? Uncarpeted area. Uncarpeted area is this. So first you find out the uncarpeted area. How will you find the uncarpeted area? Area of the floor. What is area of the floor? 15 into 8. 15 into 8. Minus area of carpet. What is the area of carpet? So see here, what is the length of carpet? Now very easily you can tell. What will be length? 15 में से 1 इधर subtract करें and 1 in that side. So it will be 13. In the same way, what will be the breadth? Out of 8 you subtract 1 in that side and 1 in this side, so it will be 6. So what is area of carpet? 13 into 6. So you calculate it. 120 minus 78. So 20, this will be 80, 80, 40, that is 42 meter square. But you have to find the fraction. So fraction of uncovered area. So what is the uncovered area? 42 meter square. What is the total area? Total area is 120. So it will be 14 and this is 40. That is equals to 7 upon 20. This fraction is uncovered. Now question number 15. A rectangular room is 6 meter long, 4.8 meter wide and 3.5 meter high. Means suppose this is a room, this is 6 meter long, 4.8 meter wide, and how much high? It is given 3.5. Height is 3.5, means h equals to 3.5 meter, this height. This will be the height, you can see here. This is equals to length and this is equals to breadth. You have to find the inner surface area of 4 walls. Inner surface area of 4 walls. So see here, what are the walls here? So one wall is this. This is one wall. It's clear. What will be its area? So you see here, here it is length and here it is h. L into h. Then there will be another wall opposite to this. Suppose this is one wall, so another wall will be opposite to that. Its area will also be L into h. So L into h, how many times? 2 times. Then in the same way you find out the area of this wall. Area of this wall. So you can see here, this is B, this much is B and this is H. What will be the area? B into H. Means that wall is having area B into H. So this wall will also have the area B into H. Means B into H is coming how many times? 2 times. So this is the total surface area of 4 walls. So if you take out 2H common, you will get L plus B. and this is a very popular formula, already you have studied in cuboid into H. You can find out. It is clear? Area of 4 walls you will get by this way. Now, you can see here question number 16. A rectangular plot of land measures 41 meter in length and 22.5 meter in width. Means this is the rectangular plot. Then a boundary wall 2 meter height. Means what is the height of boundary wall? It is 2 meter. It is built all around the plot at a distance of 1.5 meter from the plot. मतलब प्लाट की जो एज हैं उनसे 1.5 मीटर डिस्टेंस छोड़कर ये बाउंड्री वॉल बनाई जा रही है. इट इज क्लियर? प्लाट की एज और बाउंड्री वॉल की एज के बीच में कितना गैप है? देयर इज ए गैप ऑफ 1.5 मीटर. सो व्हाट विल बी द लेंथ ऑफ बाउंड्री वॉल? यू कैन सी हियर इट इज 41. दिस थिंग इज 41. You add 1.5 in this side and 1.5 in that side. So it is 41 plus 2 into 1.5, that is 44 meter. Similarly, what will be the breadth? So breadth will be 22.5. 1.5 you add in this side, 1.5 in this side. So 22.5 plus 3, that is 25.5 meter. What is the height of boundary wall? It is 2 meter. So what is the area, inner surface area of boundary wall? So by using this formula which you have used in the previous question, L plus B into H. Everything is given, you can find. So now remaining questions, now very few questions are left here that we will do in the next class. Thank you.